Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison between Librecad and Autocad, two of the most talked about CAD tools out there. If you've ever wondered whether a free, open source option like Librecad can really compete with an industry giant like Autocad, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which one is the right one for you. Librecad is a free, open source 2D CAD application that runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. What makes Librecad stand out is that it's built by a community of developers and maintained by volunteers, which means it's not driven by profit or licensing models. It's designed for accessibility and simplicity. Originally, Librecad was forked from another project, and over time it evolved into its own platform. The key idea behind it was to create a lightweight, user-friendly CAD tool that anyone could use without the barriers of cost or complicated licensing. Now let's switch over to Autocad. Autocad is a name that needs little introduction. It was first launched in 1982 and has grown into the industry standard for computer-aided design across countless fields, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, product design, and even creative industries. Unlike Librecad, which focuses only on 2D, Autocad gives you both 2D drafting and advanced 3D modeling capabilities. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons why it has dominated the CAD world for so long. Whether you're working on detailed floor plans, mechanical parts, electrical schematics, or fully rendered 3D objects, Autocad has you covered. So while Librecad shines as a lightweight, cost-free entry point, Autocad positions itself as the powerhouse designed for professional, large-scale projects where precision, collaboration, and advanced features are essential. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. Librecad is fully focused on 2D drafting. So you have lines, arcs, circles, dimensions, text, and layers. Layer management for organizing elements in drawings, similar to professional CAD standards, are present. File supports. Librecad reads and writes DXF, limited DWG support, and exports to formats like PDF and SVG. Cross-platform compatibility. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is lightweight and multilingual, and it is backed by an active open source community which ensures continuous development and support forums. How about Autocad? Full 2D drafting plus advanced 3D modeling, including solid surface and mesh modeling. Automation and AI tools that reduce repetitive tasks. Specialized tool sets for different industries, architecture, mechanical design, electrical, MEP, and more. Custom workflows with APIs, Auto Lisp, and a rich app store for extensions. Collaboration tools through Autocad web and mobile, making it possible to design on the go. Integration with cloud services and Autodesk's larger design ecosystem for seamless teamwork. Now let us talk about the pricing. Librecad is completely free. There is no subscription, no trial, no hidden costs. You just download, install, and you're good to go. Autocad, however, comes with a premium version. You have the free trial that you can use for 30 days. Of course, the good thing about the free trial is you don't need any card input. You don't have to input your card details. You just try it out for 30 days and you'll be logged out after 30 days if you do not pay. And there's a subscription model where you can select a 1-year term or a 3-year term. For 1 year, you pay $1,430, and for 3 years, you pay $4,290. Now, this price is for one user. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, we start with the pros. For Librecad, it is 100% free and open source, as earlier mentioned. It is good for simple 2D projects, and it is lightweight and fast to run. And the pros of Autocad: extremely powerful. It covers both 2D and 3D design, widely recognized and used across industries, and large ecosystem with plugins, add-ons, and professional training. How about the cons? Librecad only supports 2D drafting, no 3D capabilities. There's limited DWG support. And the cons of Autocad? High subscription costs, steeper learning curve especially for beginners. And if you only need basic drafting features, Autocad can be overkill. So which one is the winner in 2025? Well, I'd say the answer depends on who you are and what you need. If you're a student, a beginner, or someone who needs a reliable 2D drafting tool without spending a dime, Librecad is the clear winner. Easy to access, simple to learn, and has just enough features to get serious work done. But if you're a professional, like an architect, an engineer, or a designer, or you're part of a firm that relies on advanced modeling, collaboration, and precision, then AutoCAD still reigns supreme. So basically, the winner depends on your needs. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore FreeCAD, DraftSight, and BricsCAD. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.